iPad is gaining more and more popularity among users. You can easily find Apple fans carrying an iPad in hand. But you can do nothing to your iPad if the screen is all black. How frustrating it is. To help you out of this trouble, below we listed several practical methods to fix iPad screen black and won't turn on, and iPad screen black but still on. The first possibility many people may think of is whether the iPad is out of battery, so you can try charging the iPad first. Method 1. Brighten the iPad screen. Back to the home screen. Enter the control center and adjust brightness. Method 2. Reset your iPad. Get into settings. Tap on General greater than Transfer or Reset iPad. Then you can touch on Erase all content and settings to set your iPad to factory. Method 3. Update the iOS system. After the computer detects the iPad, follow the instructions on screen patiently to finish updating the iPad. Method 4. Fix iPad in recovery mode. You can manually put the iPad into recovery mode or use MagFone software to get the iPad into this mode with just a few clicks. Method 5. Use a system repair tool. Choose the standard repair mode. If the process goes successful, your device will reboot soon.